old dog. What's going on, guys? Epic Pop back on screen. Today this is a brand new video. So this is a Throwback Wednesday, guys. This Throwback Wednesday is about my old dog. So let's get right into this. Okay, guys, so my old dog was a German Shepherd, guys. Yes, guys, I had a German Shepherd. Here is my old dog. And when we moved out of our house, guys, we had to get rid of our dog, guys. We had to get rid of him, because we were moving, and we couldn't keep him anymore. So we got rid of him, guys. And as some know, I don't have him anymore. I have a new dog. Here she is. Okay, guys, as you can tell by the video, my new dog is a Chihuahua. So this basically includes the video for today of my old dog. If you like this video, comment, subscribe, leave a like, and share with your friends and family. Till next time, peace out, have a great day. Goodbye, guys.